Okay, folks, there we go. It's me and
Hi.
Jackie. We are on Rainy Lake, so we're gonna spend 4 days here. We came in yesterday and we got here kind of late. We got our camp set up. There's the bear boxes, fire pit. Scrolling. There's our tent with a big 20 by 25 tarp on the top. We learned our lesson. So this is our first real night. I mean, we were here last night late, but whatever. So here back, our tomahawk steak. Woohoo! Look at that. So we're gonna put this over some charcoal and wood. We're gonna season it with just some seasoned salt and olive oil. Here, Jackie, you wanna take the camera?
Yep.
So we're gonna give it a little rub down here. Yes, my hands are clean. So rub it down, rub it down, rub it down. Don't look. Rub it down.
Now you touched it.
Rub it down. Make sure you get the sides. Sides. Now we're gonna.
Hold on.
Okay, she's gonna open the olive oil, maybe.
Hold on, people. We're going to have a little... Hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on. So we can... Okay,
Okay, we're back.
Yeah, we're back.
Rub.
No, I'm ming into the camera.
Look at that. Olive oil, some seasoned salt, put a little extra on there. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Now, tomahawk steak. Gotta put it on the grill. Got a good base of charcoal.
Let me see.
The wood. There it goes.
That is going to be fabulous. Now,
Fabulous.
let me pan up from that to look at that view. Okay, so here we go. Nice. We'll be back.